We always surprise you with amazing questions. No? Okay, we are sure that this time you will be caught. Can you launch a rocket from your backyard of your house? No, right? But what if I say yes, it is actually possible for anyone? Well, now you're a bit surprised, right? So here we are again back to our channel, The Physics Duo, to amaze you.
So, can someone actually launch a rocket? Yes, but you have to follow some steps and take care of some requirements. Before that, let's just have a quick glance on how rockets are launched into space and what all is required on Earth for it.
The rocket must have a certain speed to reach the orbit of Earth. This speed is calculated to be of 7.9 kilometers per second or 4.9 miles per second. As soon as the rocket attains this speed, it exits from the Earth's atmosphere. So the rocket should have motors and devices which can make it lift at the speed only then it can achieve the desired launch.
It would be better if there is some device in the rocket so that one can monitor it from Earth. This is actually not necessary for small launches, but for larger distances, this is mandatory.
A launching pad is necessary for a safe launch. The dimension should be minimum 1/4 of the total height that the rocket will achieve.
Wait, the last but the most important, the ignition. There should be some source which would ignite the rocket to make the launch. So if you have got these, then don't hold back. Just launch a rocket, but make sure your rocket has a good shape and structure to pierce through the sky.
Hope this was something new and amazing. All our best wishes to NASA's Perseverance Mars rover that has been launched into space. Do like the video, comment down your questions and mind-tickling topics. Do follow us on Instagram for fun facts, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with our upcoming videos.